Hi, my name's Tony Hernandez, and I'm a member of the web development team here at Kerigan Marketing Associates. And I help to design and create the websites that our clients purchase, as well as provide training for them after they've been launched. We make it easy for our clients to add and remove whatever content they like by providing 1-hour training sessions with them and anyone else in their group that may need to edit their site. And it allows them to confidently go in afterward and change out pictures or add pictures and remove content that they may or may not need anymore. We also provide written instruction manuals that'll make it a little bit easier for them to have a reference. Sometimes our clients have some things that are a little more in depth. Typically, our clients can handle adding their own images and changing their text around, but there's some things that they might want to do as far as the style of their site or even added features, and that's where we come in. We have maintenance clients, and basically with our maintenance clients, sometimes they don't have the time to make the updates that they would like to make, or sometimes they're a little bit more involved that require going in to the code section, and we go ahead and handle those for them so that we can take that pressure and that stress off of them, and then they can also get the finished product that they would like. We also handle their updates to their site to make sure that it stays running nice and smooth.